Hey guys, it's your girl Key, and I'm here to put you on how you can make $10,000 in just 22 days with this app called Atlantis. And if you are interested, please stay tuned to the end of the video in which you can receive a special package to scale this method. Okay, so the app is called Atlantis. So this software, it generates traffic to one of the most popular platforms out there. You want to guess what it is? If you don't know, it's Instagram. So inside of Atlantis, you can generate high targeted traffic into done for you affiliate campaigns, converting them into commissions just for you. Inside Atlantis, you will be giving a step-by-step tutorials on how to optimize this strategy and make the most of it. So we are on the sales page of Atlantis, and what they're talking about basically are beta testers couldn't believe it. Software generates ripple effect inside 100 billion websites, putting 516 of passive incomes in our pocket every day. So this app was really amazing. This app was a great experience. If you would like, you can just press this button on your own time and watch the video that she has to explain to you guys. Down here is basically showing you how everybody improved when it came down to using this app. I also have my own testimonies, and you can check it out for yourself and how this app improved my life, guys. And it only took 3 steps. And for you guys only who is interested in Atlantis, I have my very own bonuses, guys. Free bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free, but it's a limited time offer. So it says right there, this page will come down at 11:59 p.m. Sunday, October 3rd. So if you would like, click any of these red buttons or any of these links right here to receive your own copy of Atlantis. So inside of Atlantis, you will basically be getting a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize Instagram and how to scale your own Instagram account and make the most of it when it comes down to money. Here are my amazing bonuses that I have to offer you guys, a value of $427.95. This is going to help scale your Atlantis app completely because Atlantis already got traffic in there. If right here for you guys, only through my link, you'll be getting my bonuses. So right here I got Crazy Traffic Explosion. Increase your Atlantis commission with Crazy Traffic Explosion with me. And then bonus number 2, value at $46. This is the Fuego Breakout. So like I said, Atlanta already got traffic software implanted in there, and this is going to get you more. So basically, I am 100 times your traffic when it comes down to making money online. So this is Fuego Breakout. Get instant traffic, 10 times your software's traffic to generate more sales. And then we have bonus number 3, value at $344. This is how to make a squeeze page. For if you are wanting to make an email list, you will have to make a squeeze page first. So you can have, it's basically a landing page. So this is how to make a squeeze page. Capture emails using this tactic. And for bonus number 4, you already know they talking about the monies in the list. So this is list building on steroids. Consistently generate sales with this list building on steroids. 10 times your profit with Atlantis commission. And then we have the last but not least, the all special vendor bonuses. So like I said, if you're interested in just receiving Atlantis, trying it out, you can just hit any of these red buttons on my page, in which you will be redirected to the sales page to get your own special copy of Atlantis. So right here we have tutorials on how to access your bonuses after you purchase your Atlantis app. So right here you have a tutorial on how to gain it from Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. And this is just a picture of me down here telling you thank you, and I can't wait for your success. Basically, we're about to hop into the members area of Atlantis. I know this is what y'all was waiting for, to see what you was gonna get inside of Atlantis. So right here, this is Nadia and Paula Marie. These are your coaches, guys. These girls are amazing. They know what they're doing. They're here to coach and teach you step by step. So this is basically a welcome, and this is the introduction, like a little overview on what they have to offer in this app. So they have the power of visual platforms, creating a eye-catching Instagram profile. Let's add your money tree. And then they have what's hot on Instagram right now. So they give you all the viral, all the good information to scale your Instagram into a profitable business. And then this module right here, Atlantis Traffic Software Setup, is going to show you how exactly to set up your traffic software and to generate sales. So this module number 1 is introducing the Atlantic software features, installing an Apple Mac device, installing a Windows device, or Atlantis software download. And then it says how to use Atlantis for the maximum impact, guys. Do not skip out on that video. This video is like one of the best one you need to watch. I just say that one, but all of them is very important, but this one was like super duper important. And then we have Insta Money Honey. Okay, so how to make it rain cash. Why a balance of high and low ticket sales works best. Go grab your affiliate links. Get ready to get paid. So your 3 done for you money page generated in a flash. Then you have how to set up a successful campaign. And then over here it says rise to fame. Your rise to passive income days have arrived. Case study 1,000 and 1,200 within 10 days using this Atlantis app. And then we have another case study 2,459 within 2 weeks using this Atlantic app, guys. And I have profited a lot of money using this Atlantic app also. Then we have the Atlantic app bonuses, which is amazing because they give you all these bonuses for free on top of my bonuses that I have to offer you guys. So their bonuses is 5 simple tips that explode our profits. Then we have how I turned 110 into 1,100 and made 900% profit. And then we have how to make consistent 10,000 a month while being a couch potato. And then we have secret hack for even more traffic waves, value at over $297. And if you want to, they have upgrades when it comes down to the information given in Atlantis. So right here it has 1 hour coach session with Nadia and Paula Marie. Then you have a special invite for a free web class and get paid $25 to $50 per hour on social media, guys. This package is completely insane. And right here you have the how to make 10,000 in 22 days. And then if you get stuck anywhere or with any questions, they offer you digital dame support. So guys, you are not ever going to be alone when it comes down to scaling that Instagram business, guys. So with Atlantis, don't forget that you are going to receive my bonuses as well, free of charge, just with the front end purchase of $17. So we can go over the prices again and what it has and what else Atlantic has to offer. So the front end price is at $17, and then we have the level up one, which is order bump Atlantis VIP support. So get support you need right at the time you desperately need it. Direct access to Atlantis VIP support team. You're guaranteed to get faster and more efficient support, guys. So that is amazing. That's only an extra $7. Then we have the upsell number 1, unlock the beast mode. And then we have upsell number 2, limited beta entry. Then we have upsell number 3, 7 C's of income multiplier. Then the upsell number 4, this is limitless traffic. And then we have upsell number 5, access our $1,000 daily. And guys, these are step-by-step video training, copy and paste the exact done for you campaigns we use to generate over 1,100 a day, done for you funnels, done for you evergreen webinars, and done for you email follow-up services. And that is on upsell number 5. Then we have the upsell number 6, Atlantis resellers, right, in which you will gain access to rescale and make your own profit. Make up to $894 per customer, and you're not in commissions no more. You're getting 100% of these profits through all of the funnels they have to offer. And then you have upsell number 4, the accidental income generator, guys. And if you want to, you can check out my page and read and get a more better description on what all these upsells have to offer. And here are some also key benefits you may be interested in when it comes down to Atlantis. It's a new software created traffic ripples and inside a 1 billion website. It has 22 beta testers, generates an average of $516 daily income, results in 30 minutes or less, 3-click setup, brand new method, newbie friendly, no investment required, money back, and get started today. So all of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day back money guaranteed. So like I said, if you are interested in seeing what else Atlantis has to offer, just click this red button on my page and it'll redirect you to getting your own copy. Don't forget that my bonuses are completely free of charge with just that small price of $17, the front end price. So let's go over my bonuses so you'll know, so you won't forget what you're receiving. It's a limited package. So we got the crazy traffic explosion. Increase your Atlantis commission with crazy traffic explosion. And then we have bonus number 2, Fuego breakout. Get instant traffic, 10 times your software's traffic to generate more sales. And then we have bonus number 3, how to make a squeeze page. Get how to make a squeeze page, capture emails with this tactic. And then we have bonus number 4, consistently generate sales with this building list on steroids. 10 times your profits with Atlantis commission. And number 5, all special vendor bonuses, guys. So like I said, if you're interested, click the link in my bio and then come to my bonus page and get your copy. Make sure you click these red big buttons so you won't miss it, guys. Like I said, this is a limited time offer. So if you're interested, it's better to move now than later. So guys, this is your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me, and hopefully you start making money online with me. See you in my next review video.